how to make homemade tortilla chips. That's right, you know there's a lot of junk in the ones you buy at the store, but here I'm gonna make some fresh homemade tortillas. This is all I'm using: kosher salt, a lime, and some corn tortillas. Yeah, I know there's probably stuff in that. I got some oil. So stay with me. We'll be right back when we get set up. It's gonna be quick and easy. Homemade tortilla chips. Awesome. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and today is another show of Papa's Kitchen. Yeah, the Big W made me that. His link is down below. So to start off, here's my corn tortillas, and I got a bowl. You gotta get you a bowl, all right, and a knife. So we're gonna take a few of these at a time. Oh, I missed the middle. Oh, I'm in such a hurry. All right, there we go. There we go. That's not a bad sized little tortilla. So for this one, that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna take them in here. Instead, just kind of throw them around. Make sure they're all come apart. Show you one more time. So simple to do. If you like corn tortillas, hit that like button so I know that you like them. Yeah. Okay. I'll finish these up and I'll come back when I got the oil going. Check out the temperature today. Yeah. So here's our tortillas cut, as you see. Now we're gonna fry them up. I got her sitting at 325. So there was 24 tortillas in the bundle. So that means I've got 96 tortilla chips. And I'll show you how to season them up real quick. You season them to your taste. Crisping up. Then I have a cooling rack. We got some limes and some kosher salt. So you'll sprinkle a little bit kosher salt on them. I'm gonna try this one this way. There we go. Nice. Separate. Separate. That's why I usually put them in a couple at a time. Get that salt on there. Kosher salt. Hit it. I keep getting a little more, a little more. You want to do them when they're hot because it'll stick. Alright, let's throw some more in there. You know what I'm going to throw them in? I'm going to try it like this. I'm getting tired of putting 98 of these in there. 96. Alright. They should separate. Yep. Look at them go. We just look at that. Look at the goodness, as Bill Gowdy would say. You can kind of feel them through here when they're done. They're crisping up. I can feel. Go ahead and give some of them a flip. And we're also trying this new spicy jalapeno ranch with Monterey melt. Can Papa handle that, and is it good? You're going to find out in another video, and when it's posted, it'll be at the end of this video to tell you how to get to it. Or just subscribe to Papa Texas and hit that flag, and you'll know from notifications and turning notifications on when I put out a video. Yeah. Spread them out. Spread them out so you can get them on salted. I'd have flipped them and get the other side, but I ain't doing that today. Yeah. Here's the last of them. Oh yeah. Crisping up. Okay, I can turn my fire off now. This is it. That's all she wrote. How come you come around when I'm cooking? All right, this is the last of them.
Can I do the salt?
You have to get by that hot pan. All right, I'll let you do the salt, and then I'll let you squirt some lemon lime on it. Get them good. Get them good. Get you some lime in there. We're just gonna do one. Let's do this. Get these over here. Get these over here because I moved those away. And we're gonna try this out. All right, let me pick one out that didn't just come out. Go with this one right here. Look at the chip. Yeah. All right. Crispy.
You're good.
Taste test. Oh my gosh. I think I was at a Mexican food restaurant. They're really good. Papa did awesome. You need to make this. There you go. Make your own homemade chips. That's right. And if you do a video of it, if you say something about Papa Texas and put me in your link, I'll find it because I'd like to watch your version of making a homemade tortilla chips. All right? It's Papa.
Madi.
It's Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Yeah.